Hi everyone, want to create AI generated music like a pro? Meet MusicFX Google Labs, latest AI music tool that turns simple text prompts into a stunning music track. First, go to Google Labs and look for MusicFX. If it's still in beta, sign up for latest access. Then, enter your text prompt. It is equal to your song. Be specific. Instead of make a pop beat, try upbeat pop music song for generate or energetic synths and deep bass. And then you can also use the styles like jazz, EDM, lo-fi, and cinematic to shape the vibe. Then customize your track. Adjust the tempo, instrument, and mood to fit your style. Once happy with the track, download it and start creating. Then, now you know how to create an epic AI generated music with Music FX. Try it now and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more AI music tips. Thanks for watching.